Yes, people, you don't know me, the facts now. Come for talk first, now come for talk trash. You see me? Yeah, man. But the people are going, big up on yourself, you know. You don't know, you know. Yeah, man, I'm the facts, man. Yeah, man. We come for talk about Alkaline and Kartel situation when it comes to calling up name and every little thing. Is what I try to say. Because I realize that from Vybz come from prison. Alkaline name just all about. Kartel has done a lot of interviews. Zine, and he's like, Alkaline name is a call up. And you wonder some of the time, because if a man spend 13 years in a prison and him can't do an interview without Alkaline thing, and you know, at this I gone to. Because them say Alkaline fall off, them say him do this, them say him not do nothing. But when you check it, Alkaline are the only dancehall artist where people not really see. But him name call up every day. So I'm wondering, where's the other artists? How them not call up the other artist's name? So Alkaline relevant? Eh? I that more know what Alkaline is the goalpost. Because imagine Vybz do so much interview. And the interview them will go viral and go big. And when Alkaline name call in it. You understand? So me I wonder what really are going. Is what me I try to say, me I wonder what really are going. Because if you look on with that brother you say.
Kartel. Because I don't know if Vybz can perform. And me a Gaza fan and me say Vybz can perform. The whole lot of vex over that. Vybz cannot perform from day one, much less day two. I used to him do over Tartola. And him a go New York come the same thing if you don't listen to me. Kartel just need to relax himself and don't take on the music performance aggressively. He have to just be calm and easy. And the backup thing we have where made them do over Tartola, you know already. I never MC enough for you, but you know sound good. So I fix up on the thing and put some time on the production and give people them the money worth. And look at Vendetta fans them, no rules I keep on a Trelawney. When nobody feel like Alkaline no better because Alkaline can't perform. Because last no rules to keep a Jamaica a skank take the show. And a skank the people them come out come see because I did it. Even though
fresh drop
good, but remember say Alkaline can't perform. He's a little bit better artist still, you know. But I don't remember saying can't perform neither. I know Idonia, I know Beanie Man, I know Vegas, I know Tamale, them and their dancehall performer. Plus you have some more. But Gaza fans, you don't know say Kartel can't perform from day one. So don't stop acting like the toughest performance that I kind of something. Be honest with myself and be real. And the Vendetta fans them too, no be real too, no Alkaline can't perform. Recording artists them. But Kartel problem can't fix. But them not like listen to me. All Kartel need to do 15 minutes exercise and 15 minutes of performance every morning. 15 minutes performance and song them every morning. Breath control and him good. I tell you. But the man cost me upon that video.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them.
When I see the video a while ago, so the brother here say, yo, basically him say I'm a Gaza fan, and the show where Kartel do over Tartola over BVI there. I say, yo, Kartel no perform good and Ray. But here comes Alkaline name now. The Vendetta fans, he must say the Vendetta fans, nobody talk because Alkaline can't perform. I just can't understand people. Like, I just don't know how the Gaza fan them do it. Like, everything Alkaline them compare with. One to Popcorn, Massacre, one to Idonia, one to them artists there. Look how much artists in a dancehall. Why Alkaline name? You understand? Them say him fall off. Right? Them remember saying no, them not say Alkaline every day, you know. All them a work with just a name, you know. And look how much a dancehall artists do them thing and and them not call them the youth the name. But it's sure you say. You see when you don't bow, you become the main danger. When you don't bow to the system. You understand? Because most of the artists them, you know, them bow to Kartel. So it's like them bench them and who no bow, for them name always a call. You understand? For them name always a call. You see it? So from Vybz for the prison, if I know sure compare, whatever Alkaline drop means a Kartel him attack. Last year when Kartel found out from prison, Alkaline dropped some girl song and some gangster song. Remember, you know, them song I can release. Them song I can do like months before Kartel come out of prison, you know. See? Because it's not like, remember, you know, Alkaline, for a man when in a social media, right, people? Like, you would think say, yo, people forget about them people, right? Because the artists, them, when they in a social media, how them name now call up? And that more I know. The people when I get the clickbait them and they go viral and thing. How for them name now call up? Remember the same thing Alkaline I do, you know Alkaline on social media every day. I do this, I bring on nobody, I rare do no interview, nothing. But them call for him name. Oh, me not understand. How people do that? Tell me now. How much friends and family you have where you not see every day, right? How much time you call them people? Like some friend where you not see for years. Me know you not call them every day because they're not there around you. So how them call Alkaline name? I don't want to know people. Like, sometimes I easy back and I piggyback and I say, yo, I could have what's up? Vybz Kartel can't do an interview without Alkaline name involved if it go viral. That one, him do one pan the fix, him do one with DJ Academics, him do one with who's him do interview with? Him do one with ER. All of them one day where you see Alkaline name call up. Him do one with Gym Champs, Alkaline. And at them one day him do some other one, but me not too hear nobody talk about them one day. Them one day no go viral. But sure you say, so me wonder wait. So Kartel can't do nothing, or say if he say nothing for him name if he always call up with Alkaline. Cause imagine the man first show when he do a stadium. Right? Remember you know, this is a man first time on stage officially, you know, go perform everything, you know. Right? And then when you look, boom, Spice walk on.
What lad? Why if you compare Alkaline, him and the stew?
Alkaline. Tell me now. Me just can't understand. I saw Kartel thing need Alkaline if you get go viral or something. That more know people. Because I know Gaza fans now go like this, you know. But I them make it bad for them artists. You understand? Because when you're supposed to celebrate and all of them things. Remember when Vybz Kartel ticket them just come out for Freedom Street, people. You understand? And the things that them would have say, yo, I promote them things. See? People, look on the Gaza vlogger, what am I say?
Yo, me feel laugh, you know. Some people are talking about 4 rules and I give blood clot. College kids from you, we pay 5 grand. Blood clot full up there. Everybody up there, all market people, all people who push car down a town, they are blood clot full rules. Not like on a pool crowd. Dog shit, you know. 3 for 1 deal. College kids with ID pay 2.5. What? Nigga, what? What the fuck? College kids with ID pay 2. Show ID and you pay 2,005. Make be a little young people in that place. I go on like, yeah, we full up the place with 8,000 people or 5,000 people. I go on that. Pussy.
It's what I say, people. You that thing say, when you hear, or the man would have celebrated show, you know, this man, I go start style Alkaline show. This is a big top Gaza vlogger, you know, when you just hear play a while ago, you know. Zine, the man I go say, oh, them for come in a Kartel league with them $5,000 ticket and people downtown, marketplace, full up Alkaline and Ray and Ray. Come to find out, Kartel put out a statement say 50% off Black Friday sale, financially challenged people. Remember, you know, this I see people them down the town, you know. Then boom again when you hear, be a ticket a give away. Boom them, Sean Storm them, the whole of them, and then scatter come out and say, yo, every artist get at least 100 tickets. Zine, and boom, stadium full. Zine, and for sure you say, everything them money do, them can't celebrate. Why them can't celebrate when them a win? Like, them have to call Alkaline name. And that more I know. I feel like, no man, this have to be studied. You understand? It have to be studied, man. Because there's no way. You know, see Alkaline a walk at Jamaica. I don't know, but I have to wonder some of the time. Them can't survive with Alkaline name, you know. You know why? Because others are artists, them bow. So if them call for them name, it not gonna really get no energy. But you Alkaline no bow now. Because I'm telling you, if you want a strength in Alkaline name are the easiest name for call. You understand? When it comes to the industry, because you don't know, Alkaline are the most hated dancehall artists of all times. You understand? When I say of all times, I'm going to tell you why of all times. For your youth, when you do social media, when you mingle with people and all of them look something there. Zine? And all of these things. How you hate a youth because him not bow to a man? Tell me now, because I know enough of you we hate the youth, you know. Just because him not bow to Kartel or whatever. I know enough of you know not bow to no man. I know for sure, but because Vybz Kartel, oh no God, you know want Alkaline to come bow too. But this is the thing. Over the years, when I say Alkaline flop from 2016, but how artists for flop? When you still call him name in 2025? At that moment, you know. So wait. Say artists them when you flop. How them name now call like Alkaline name? At that moment, no. If I know people found out and call Alkaline name, or Alkaline name call most than any other dancehall artist, otherwise from Vybz Kartel. You understand? Tell me now. Imagine Kartel doing first show, first booking show, and the youth I go say, this is the thing, you know, them not like some of them people, you know, Gaza fan not like losers, you know. And when them artists feel which nothing is wrong, I saw it go, and every day you will get praises or do well. them have to bring down another youth to prep up them artists feet and look bad. Imagine Kartel not 200 on the show down a BVI. Then the man go call for Alkaline, so Alkaline can't perform too. This can't be real to reality. Me I tell the people, it's like, for a man, imagine a man can't rest in peace. Eh? We don't know why the Gaza fan them can't make them artists rest. The man fought from prison. The man them say, the artists them not drop no song. All of them look something there. Zine? But when Alkaline drop song now, a Kartel him a fear talk about. Jesus Christ. But yeah, we tell you though, it's like, Alkaline must tell you and he must sit down and he must say, yo, Jano, every day I wake up. I just live my life. I mean, name just a call. I mean, in no social media, I mean, not repost nothing. All of them, only thing I do is my music. I mean, name just call right through. It show you, how dancehall system set up in there. So when you're not about it, like people just hate, I just naturally hate you for no reason, See? Because none of them people that hate Alkaline. Sometimes they don't know where they hate Alkaline about, they just forward up and say, I'm gonna hate that youth. You know why? And naturally with human thing, Humans, like if you bow down to them or mingle with them or depend ends with them not rate you because them say you're too hype. And that when you stay to yourself and not to go around people, them say you're too hype. But that might be how you stay, your personality, that you just keep to yourself. And that's how it go. Because any artist, right now if Alkaline go down half a tree and start do this and do that. Because remember, when Kartel just come out and I mingle with him fans, remember this man lock up for 13 years, people. Zine? 13 years. Him lock up for. So you must, especially when you forward out, you might want to meet up with family and mingle back with the people, get neutral, you understand? But for sure you say, the man them start call Alkaline name now, say Alkaline now mingle with him fans. This are the man where they say copy Vybz, which is two different man, two different person this. Because Kartel they all about to walk very, Alkaline now do that. A two different man. You understand? Yeah, people. So, all of this to say, it just not make no sense. Because the man fought from prison 13 years and the man can't rest. The man must have wonder when he do interview and the people them call up Alkaline and say, yo, we have good Alkaline, Ray. And him say one bag of thing. You understand? Till all one time I say, yo, him do it for the culture. Because him know. Only one artist them call him name too. Look how much he bow to him. And him only call this one man name all the time. We don't know how them do it, people. We don't know how them do it. You understand? Because the man forward out and I do him little shows them and everything. And every show them I try to compare. I say Alkaline can't do this, that, Ray. Imagine, so over the years I just name the man them I call. Like, them, we can't see them I hate the artist. Because the artist, it's like the only time you see the man up on stage. Or if him go through airport, or him promote him shows. But the man not do no interview, the man not do nothing. Nothing he not do. And we see sometimes people are just talk and I say, yo, people really, them really not know for doing because there's no way. I not see a man in the media or any little thing. Like, for example, look how much artists out there when in the media. I mean, not see nobody post them and all that say talk about them or nothing. So why with Alkaline? Why you not see Alkaline on the media and all of them look something? No viral thing now go viral with Alkaline and all of them look thing there. Why? Over the years, when artists want this another artist, them draw back Alkaline song with the same song with this the artist. Over the years. For sure you understand? Because if you want this a man, them know say alright, can use Alkaline. Zine? But for sure you, people. You that thinks Alkaline are the most hated, but to me I'm most rated. Because when you rate somebody, you call them name every day. You understand? You call them name every day. Well, naturally, people will call vybzkartel name. Because he might do road him in the media, everybody talk about him, yeah. Him in the media space. Other artists, them keep them life private. Them not really too in the media like that. So I understand. Is what I try to say. I understand with that. So I wonder if vybzkartel can just do him thing without Alkaline name get called up by him fans or you understand? Or him can't do an interview and call up or whatever. I mean, would I get tired, But for sure it's the power of Alkaline. The power of silence, the power of keep yourself to yourself. What it can do. Because we never see this happen to no other dancehall artists. The one that dancehall when I come in the media, them not, me see all Sting for keep. Zine. And last year, to where them say a massacre. Zine. Are the artists of the year. Zine and me think so when I say yo massacre for same Sting. When me look at Alkaline for same Sting. You have to wonder if Alkaline run Jamaica or run dancehall to me. Like without music, because when him drop in music them, he mash up the place. When him don't do it, him name still a call. I don't know how somebody will isolate themselves from society. Where they all about and all of them look something there. How people call him name like, yo, my family them, when me not see for how long. It's like me can't tell when last me call them name out of my mouth. How no do it? You see him, you don't say fall off. If him fall, alright, for example, like Biggs Dan. Them say Biggs Dan fall off. Biggs Dan name now call up in the media, you know. How much artists fall off and them name now call up? Why Alkaline? I that want to know people. We just can't understand. Why Vybz Kartel can't just do something? And Gaza fan them just celebrate and all them look at them. Why them have to use it and compare Alkaline? Right? A man, Vybz Kartel in the game about 30 years now. Alkaline about 10, 11 years. Why you compare an artist with they way before the art? I don't know how them do it, but it show you the power of hate. You understand? Because if you not get hate, you know, you not do nothing. If you not get hate in a life, you not do nothing. Because so it go. Because naturally people bad mind. So it's like, if you're dead, and you say if you're not do nothing in your life, people not go hate you. Them not see you. But when them see you Popel now, and I do things and I mash up the streets out there, at them time there. Because you know why them hate Alkaline too? I show Alkaline a prosper. You say if Alkaline they really fall off and not do nothing, them wouldn't even talk about him. But because the youth successful, them not like that because they don't want to see him prosper, because from day one them a bring him down. You understand? Yeah man people. But I that me really come to talk about still, because we know that them not stop call Alkaline name when it comes to Vybz Kartel. Them not stop. You understand? Because sometimes I wonder if them really care about Vybz Kartel or them care about Alkaline. Because them can't celebrate nothing. Them can't call up no name, nothing can go viral without Alkaline tap into feed them thing. You understand? But people, you don't know media facts, you know. Yeah man, that is it. People look at like, share and subscribe. Remember that. That is it.